working as a legal intern under Lexis and Company. Today my topic is maintenance. Maintenance as a concept, when considered from the point of view of law, refers to the kind of financial assistance given to either of the litigating parties or an application made by them only through an order passed by the court having jurisdiction to do so and upon execution of decree is regard. It is often referred to as alimony or a kind of monetary support from the spouse, that is spousal assistance. Maintenance, on the other hand, is an act of bearing the financial expenses or reducing the burden of spouse whose burden increases and economical position gets materially changed on the decree of the divorce. So, here we have some types of maintenance: temporary maintenance and a permanent maintenance. Prior status of right of maintenance: Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 initially dealt with the provision of granting maintenance. The Hindu Marriage Act was formed in the year 1955 and applies specifically on individuals who are Hindus, including Sikh, Jain, Buddhists and persons who come under the ambit of Section 2 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Under old Hindu law, a Hindu male was under an obligation to maintain the following persons: his wife, unmarried daughter, legitimate son, illegitimate son and aged parents. Thus, only Hindus, the applicability of which could be checked from Section 2 of Hindu Marriage Act, are covered under this Act.